Welcome to my channel, Blessed Hands by Lillian. Today I want to be unboxing my new Singer Legacy Se300. It's pretty heavy, so last night I already had my husband take it out the box for me, and now I'm just put the box up here. And I'm going to talk about the machine and what it does and what's included and everything like that. I'm going to go around the box and then I'm going to show the machine and show what came with it. But this is a Singer Legacy Se300. It has automatic thread tension. It has start-stop buttons on it. It has the rabbit and it has the tortoise, which means the slower speed, faster speed. Had automatic cut, automatic threader, automatic needle threader, start stop button. Then as I turn it around, it shows you all of the stitches or the stitches that are available. And there's 118 decorative stitches. There's 14 buttonholes, 18 satin stitches, 23 elongated stitches. I have 22 quilting stitches and 30 heirloom stitches, along with 7 stretch stitches, 8 of the basic stitches, you know, the straight, the left, the right, zigzag, that kind of thing. And then 10 one-touch basic stitches. Came with a stitch guide, has a quick start guide, as well as a user-friendly manual. When you turn around here, they have complimentary downloadable embroidery software, and the software is called Singer MySewNet. It has 3 LED lights in it, which is good. It has a drop feed to do free motion sewing. It like I said earlier, it has the automatic thread tension, so I don't have to set the tension for anything that I do. The reason that I purchased this particular machine right now is because it has an extra large embroidery field, an extra large embroidery area rather. It's 6 inches by 10 1/4. And here's the 6 inch by 10 1/4 hoop. And actually it says that the hoop is 260 by 150. That's the millimeter size of it. But this is a pretty large hoop, and that's the reason I purchased this particular one. And it also came with this 6 by 10 1/4, but it also comes with the regular 4 by 4. Last night, this was just a stitch out that I did just to see the machine run, to make sure that it was working. It comes with 10 snap-on presser feet, and which of those are the basic ones: the quilting, zipper foot, some of the basic ones, buttonhole foot. I just talked about it had 2 embroidery hoops that comes with it, and they're calling the 6 inch by 10 1/4 the large hoop, and a 4 by 4 the small hoop. It operates for the embroidery machine. It operates with a USB stick, and that's one of the other reasons I purchased this one, because my machine, my other home embroidery machine, is a very old machine. Still runs, still works fine, but I have to use floppy disks. And you no longer find floppy disks anymore, but it's okay because I still have a whole bunch of them and I can still use that machine and it still works fine. But I wanted a newer, up-to-date machine, which was the USB. I'll eventually probably get another one, and this time it will be wireless. But right now, this is fine for me because I also have a 15 needle commercial embroidery machine. So this is good for me. It has the LCD touchscreen, and it has 200 embroidery designs plus 6 alphabet options included with the machine. It also has 250 built-in sewing stitches. So The machine, this particular sewing slash embroidery machine offers a lot, and it comes with a lot. And that's pretty much what I want to show about this. And this box is pretty big, and with the machine and everything in it, it was pretty heavy. And as I said, it comes with the 2 hoops. Move those to the side. It came with the quick start guide, and I already threaded the bobbin. Everything was, to me, it was very simple in threading the bobbin. It was very simple in attaching the embroidery machine. It was very simple to me to do the put the bobbin in, because it's a top loading bobbin. You thread the bobbin here. As far as putting the thread in the machine to thread it, it was really simple. Simple guide. Just follow the little arrows. Go down, go up, go down, go up. Here, go down. Automatic threader. Automatic threader. Let me get it in there again. Okay. Pull the thread through. And just like that, it's threaded. So that was all fairly simple. Attaching here, letting it know that the embroidery arm was on, all of that was simple to me. And I know that's probably all simple to me because I already operate and already have embroidery machines. And this is the attachment that came, and this one is for the sewing machine part. But I probably won't be using the sewing machine part because I have 2 other Singer sewing machines that I use. And it came with all of these attachments, came with 1 bobbin already threaded. I have needles. It gave me different feet, gave me a spool pins, various different things that it came with. And here's the thing for the buttonhole. Gave me a whole lot of different attachments, and they all are seated in these little pockets here. And you just put them back in the pocket. You close this up, snap it back in place, and then now it's ready to be put on the machine if you want it to sew. But I probably rarely ever use this. This part will always stay attached for here. Easily turn on. It now tells you that the hoop, the embroidery arm is on. You click yes, let it know it's gonna do its adjustment so it can get set up. And now it's ready. It's saying it's ready to go. And I have an option of stitches or alphabet. And you just hit the alphabet, and the largest is 30 millimeter in a regular basic font. Then it has to give you a script font, and it's the script font is 25, and the regular typeface is 30. And you just click on it, and then do a name. Do whatever name you want to do. Click on that. Well, I'll just do, let's see. And then it automatically brings you to where it is with the hoop. It tells you what size hoop to put on. And then pretty much it's ready to go. You put your hoop in on. I'm not going to stitch out anything right now, but I'll demonstrate that. You just snap the hoop in place, lock it, Hear it lock. Now it's ready to embroider. I already have thread in the top. I have thread in the bobbin. You would set it up, test it, and it's ready to go. So that's the unboxing of my Singer Legacy Se300. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Like the video, comment, and by all means, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a blessed day.